Dear students and teacher learners, welcome to this tutorial that is going to show you a tour around the AVA, the virtual room of the Diplomado. The Diplomado has a main page that you can see here with some of the components. It has a dashboard where we're going to get in touch with frequent communications and announcements that professors and tutors are going to make. You will also find the web learners, the platform management, the web-based learning didactical design, the DIPLOMADO, the English teaching skills, and the questionnaires and tests. I'm going to explain each one of these parts of the page. In the course line, you're going to find if you click on here, you're going to find all the documents that have to do with the curriculum of the Diplomado. If you want to know or to have an overview about the different courses and competences that are going to be developed, then you have to see the whole document. And in here you will find also the 4 curriculum of each one of the modules that we're going to develop. Then you will find web learners in here. The list of students is going to appear with the names, and if you click on the name, you're going to be in their personal learning environments, PLEs, that are going to be used in a very relevant manner throughout the course. Then in the platform management, you're going to find tutorials to manage the LMS, to manage Moodle. You have an explanation of the UT platforms. You have how to access to Media Aula, how to recover your password in case that you forget it. And also you're going to find these tutorials about the AVA, about the virtual room of the course, and each one of the modules. Also, you're going to find the web-based learning didactical design and explanation of it through a video that you're going to find in this link, where the 8 moments in the learning trajectory are going to be explained. So you access here the video, and also you can access a figure or a graph that explains those 8 moments in the web learning design. My connection is kind of slow, so here you find the video. And also, as I told you, in this part, you're going to find a document with the explanation of the 8 moments. In the DIPLOMADO, there are documents like one that explains what it is, the whole document in English and in Spanish, some graphs that describe the 22 competences in the 6 areas of the DIPLOMADO, and also you're going to find an online test if you want to take it. In the part of English teaching skills, you will find the English teaching digital taxonomy wheel that has the skills that we're going to be developed throughout the course, with the actions that we can do in order to develop that communicative competence, the activities, and the media resources and web resources that we're going to be feeding throughout the development of the modules. Then You find the questionnaires and tests that will be administered at the beginning, in the middle, sometimes in the middle of the course, at the end of a module, like the web-based didactical design, where you're going to assess the methodology, the teacher's digital competence test that will be administered before the course starts and at the end, the use of digital technologies questionnaire also that will be administered at the beginning and at the end of the course, the self-assessment form that will be applied at the end of each module, and the learning management system survey that will be applied in the middle of the course and at the end. And finally, you find a chat where you can get permanent help. So do you need help? You access here, you write your question, or whichever doubts that you may have, and your tutor or the engineer or the person in charge of the course, in this case me, will be answering to the doubts that you have. In this part are the doubts that have to do with the course in general, not about the specific module, but about the course. So thank you for your attention, and I expect and I hope that this information has been useful for you. Thank you very much.